If death is the ultimate truth, then why doesn't this immortal jellyfish die? Why is it immortal, according to science? This is a creature that, when it begins to grow old, instead of dying due to old age, transforms itself back into a child. That is to say, it does not die and starts living its life again from childhood. But how can it be possible in this universe for a living being to not die at all? Against the laws of nature? Could it be that we have misunderstood the laws of nature, and that anything can be done here? And the surprising thing is that it can take itself back to its childhood as many times as it wants. This means it can keep postponing its death for as long as it desires. Scientific observations. When scientists kept this jellyfish in a labyrinth, kept it hungry, or gave its light stress, even causing its light injury, do you know what happened? Instead of dying, the jellyfish shrank and settled down. Then internally, it changed its cells and returned to the polyp state, which is its childhood stage. After some time, it was observed that the same polyp began becoming a jellyfish again, which proved that it can reverse its life cycle. The discovery. And now I'm going to tell you something that will surely shock you. But before that, know how we humans found out that such a creature exists on Earth that can reverse its life cycle whenever and however many times it wants and remain immortal. This was discovered in the 1990s when Italian scientist Ferdinando Boro was researching. He caught many small jellyfish from the sea and kept them in a lab. After some time, many jellyfish grew old and died, and some dissolved in the water and disappeared. Scientists thought some had died or gone bad, but when they studied the water through a microscope, they found some jellyfish appearing in the same state as they were at the time of birth. Some scientists thought perhaps some had given birth to children before dying. But then scientists kept different types of jellyfish separately and again kept them hungry and gave them slight injuries. Doing this repeatedly revealed that Turritopsis Dohrnii, meaning the immortal jellyfish, settles down, changes its cells, and after a few days is seen growing large again from the childhood stage. Genetic findings and limitations. Finally, in the final test, when scientists did a DNA test of this jellyfish, such genes were found in its DNA that repair cells, slow down the process of aging, prevent problems like cancer. The DNA test made it clear that this is a jellyfish that can reverse its life cycle and stay alive as long as it wants. But the important thing is that, until now, no direct experiment on humans has been successful. It is not completely immortal. Rather, it can die in natural circumstances. And the surprising thing is that scientists think this jellyfish can spread by making clones. Meaning, when it returns to the polyp childhood stage, it doesn't just become one jellyfish. Sometimes many new jellyfish can be born from it. This means an entire colony can be formed from one jellyfish. One jellyfish returned to the childhood state and many came out. This all seems like a miracle. But according to scientists, this is included in science, not a miracle. And actually, its size is about Defying, meaning like a small fingernail or a grain of rice. It was shown larger in the video only to explain it to you correctly.